guys, we are using rubber bands. We're using Summit Live. And also we are using the So Real Gel. The hair company that we're using is runwaycurls.com. Let's get started. We are doing the rubber band method. I'm going to show you now what I'm doing. I'm crisscrossing the hair around the top. Then I'm using the third part. And I'm making, with the client's hair, I'm making the braid with that. So I'm going to braid it down just a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing here. And this hides the rubber band. And not only does it hide the rubber band, it makes it last even longer than the other way of anybody showing how it's being done. My client, we did this, last minute because I've been having a difficult time finding people that, want to sit down and be amused and get their hair done for me to do these tutorials on. I've been having a real difficult time, but she was nice enough to, sit and be patient with me and let me show this technique. I was like, I need to put this on camera right quick. And she let me do it. So once again, I'm going to show you. You're going to use your crochet needle. You're going to crochet it horizontally above the rubber band, and you're going to crisscross it over. And what that does, this wraps all the way around that rubber band. And it's securely in there. And you're using your client's hair. It's easier to do it this way. The other way will be with the straight hair, just doing like the straight, goddess braids with this technique. I'm going to show you guys how to use that too if you want to use the rubber bands. Normally I use the rubber bands on people that have thinning hair, where it's kind of difficult to really get that extension in their hair without really using a lot of pressure or force, or however you want to say it, a lot of tension. That's the proper word that I want to use. A lot of tension on the hair, and it is secure. It's not going anywhere, And she made a comment to me, the last time I did her passion twist, that they lasted so long. I didn't see her for around 4 months, because she said they last so long. And I was happy to hear that, because her hair is kind of, thin, and we are, using this technique. I like to use this technique on thin hair, not so much a person with thick hair, because I know how to, add that extension onto somebody's hair that has really, really thick hair. I know how to add it to where that extension is laying on their scalp, where that extension don't move, So, but this is perfect with clients that have thinning hair, but they want their hair braided also. So this is the fifth braid, and I'm going to show you one more time. It's simple. It's no rocket science to it. You just crisscross the top, and then you just braid going down. And you just braid going down, and then that way also it looks very natural. And you're just, twisting. I wish I could have showed you guys, the twist part, further down. But I didn't want to make this a passion twist vlog, because they got so many passion twist tutorials out there, and I just didn't want to do one. Most of my tutorials are really going to just teach, the art of braiding hair, and the old school and the new school style of braiding hair, But like I say again, you guys, I've been having difficulty with them, because I wanted to use models. I really didn't want to use my actual clients. But with using models, old school days, I used to use models. I used to have like 4 young ladies that I used to interchange out and do modeling for me when I used to do hair shows and everything. But now we living in a day and time to where the models want to tell you what to put on their hair. They don't want to sit and allow you to, custom create something that you want to do on their hair. They want to tell you what. And I'm like, you getting your hair done for free, so why are you trying to tell me how to do your hair? I'm creating something, and I'm gonna do your hair the way I want it to be done, So that's been a kind of a challenge right there, And like I said, I'm repeating this over again so you guys can see it. Because you guys, I haven't did a video in like 3 months because I've been so busy over the holiday season and everything, and a lot of stuff was going on, and I did kind of get sick with the Roni Tony, so I haven't really been, my focus hasn't really been on, doing a video until, I've kind of felt better, and I feel good now, I'm okay. And everything, so I'm gonna still, like I said, I'm gonna bring out awesome videos for you guys, by any means necessary. So yeah, I'm showing you guys this technique so you can see how to hide those rubber bands, and then it doesn't look lumpy. It looked like an actual braid, or a twist or whatever, because we did kind of like medium-sized passion twist on her hair. And it came out so beautiful. And, by her hair being a little thin, I also crochet, the hair in between, like, to kind of cover her scalp a little bit. And the style came out so beautiful. It came out really nice. So once again, I'm showing you guys, crisscross it. You wrapping it around. Just like you're doing a braid, you pull in her hair as the third, and then you braiding it in, and it's still as if how I braided my daughter's natural hair with the straight the straight Kaale hair is the same technique. That extension is gonna sit on the scalp, in the same fashion, so it's not gonna pull out or come off or anything. It's very much secure, and this is good for shorter hair. Now if their edge line is very, very short, you might have to just manually put the braid in without the rubber band, because I found like one of her areas on her edge line was very short, so I couldn't use the rubber band. When I put it in, the rubber band just slid out, so I just went ahead and just took the hair and just manually braided it in, but it came out really, really nice, you guys, it really did. So yes, I'm showing you guys this, and I'm gonna show you the end reveal towards the end and show you guys how it all incorporated itself together. I wish I could have filmed all the way down to the bottom, but I didn't. Here's the final reveal. It came out so beautiful, so nice, and she absolutely loved it. And I also want to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.